Welcome to Education Lifeline. This is Tibro Paul, and today we'll be going over how to decide on which method to use to solve a quadratic. In our previous video, we listed the 5 primary ways to solve quadratics, but now we'll discuss when to use each method to solve quadratics faster. First of all, you should first try solving the equation by factoring. Be sure that your equation is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 before you start your factoring attempt. We recommend spending no more than a minute trying to factor before moving on to another method. Next, look if the equation has just a square term and a constant. If it does, then you can solve the equation by taking the square root of both sides. Don't forget to include a plus-minus sign in your equation once you've taken the square root. These first two steps can be reversible. Now, if factoring or taking the square root is not possible, check to see if the coefficient of the square term is 1 and the coefficient of the linear or middle term is even. If so, completing the square is a good method to use. However, if nothing else is working for you, you can resort to applying the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula works for any equation. These are the fundamental steps when determining what method to use when solving a quadratic. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. Check the description for other helpful resources and make sure to leave any questions in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.